Good morning children, Joyadash here. Today we will do few sums from 6.3 from your NCERT book. We have done question number, yesterday we have done question number A and B from question number 2. Now we will do C and D. Understood? Now first I have written the question, few sums, what we will do, I have written, I have arranged it. Now we will try to solve this sum. Say again, you have to fill in the blanks with greater sign, less sign or equal to sign. The sum is 45 minus 11 on the left side, and on the right side 57 minus 4. It is 57 minus 4. Okay. 57 plus minus 4. Now left hand side, how to solve, you know. Left hand side, when you are doing this sum, you also do the calculation by your own. Do not write everything whatever we have done or we have written. I have explained, just understand the explanation and try to do the sum by your own. Understood? Now it is, see, the question is 45 minus 11. When we are subtracting any minus number, do you remember yesterday I have shown the one line from your NCERT book and I told you to underline it. That page, that portion you please remember now. When we are subtracting any minus sign, that means we have to go to right side on the number line. Do you remember? We are subtracting any minus integer from subtracting any minus integer. Actually we are adding it. That's why we are going to the right side. Understood? That's why we are not going, though it is subtraction sign, but we are not going to the left side, because we are subtracting one negative integer. As it is negative integer and we are subtracting, so you have to actually go to the right side. Now what you will do, now you can write in this way also, 45 plus 11. Afterwards in a higher class you come to know why it is plus, but now according to number line you can explain in this way also. When we are subtracting any negative integer from any integer, we are subtracting negative integer, that means we are adding it. Now add this, what value you are getting? 56. Leave it in this way. Now right hand side portion is 57 and you are subtracting, you are adding minus 4 with 57. That means you are adding minus 4 with 57. That means you are actually subtracting. So subtract, you are getting 53. Now both are positive sign. Now it is very easy for you, as both are positive sign, one is 56 and one is 53, then which portion is larger for you? Think, which portion is larger for you? Yes, 56 portion is greater than 53, so it is larger. Understood? Now next one is, next sum is question number D. Minus 20 left hand side. Again left hand side and right hand side portion we will solve separately. Minus 25 and you are subtracting another minus integer, negative integer. So actually what are you doing? You are adding 42. You are adding 42. We are adding 42 with minus 25. What to do actually? Actually what to do, you are getting now two different sign. Two different sign we can't add. We have to subtract, one is positive and one is negative. That means you are from 42, you have to subtract 25. Different sign you are subtracting. After subtraction what you will get? 5 to 12, 7, 3, 4, 1, 17. Now students, tell me, it is minus 25 and it is plus 42. Remember that bottom related explanation. When it is minus 25, you are taking plus 25 to cancel out. Then what is left from here, as because it was larger number, so 17 positive numbers are left, so it will be positive 17. Understood? Now it is the left hand side. Now you have to do the right hand side. Minus 42 and again minus 25, subtracting a negative integer. So actually you are adding a negative integer. Subtracting a negative integer means you are adding a positive integer. You are adding a positive integer. When you are subtracting a negative integer, actually you are adding a positive integer. Now the same thing, 42 and 25. Here also 42 and 25. You have to, they are also have different sign. But when you are subtracting these two, you are getting 17. That's also correct. But this time, positive 25 will be taken away from negative 25 is taken away from minus 42. Very good. Then 42 is left. From negative portions, 42 is left. 17 integer number 17 is left. As from minus 42, you have taken minus 25 to cancel this plus 25. Okay, if it is still now not easy for you, then you can do in this way. Larger number sign will come in front. Larger integer always, which one is negative it will be smaller, and which one is positive it is larger. Then to keep it in your mind that which number will come in front, that time you can think about this relation. Understood? Now it is minus 17 and it is plus 17. Then tell me which one is greater. Always positive numbers are greater. So this portion is greater. So left hand portion is greater. Understood? See the sum from the distance. Is it clear? Now fill in the blank sum. Now a sum which is you have to do only fill in the blanks. Now the question is, with minus 8 what you will add to get 0? With minus 8 what will you add to get 0? Fill in the blanks means it is not that whatever is coming to your mind you will put. You know that. You all are very intelligent boys. Now minus 8, do you remember additive inverse? On the number line, when it is minus 8, on the number line, when it is minus 8, to reach 0, what number you need? You are in minus 8. Think about the additive inverse concept. Say it is minus 8 and you want to reach 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now when you are reaching in this place, the result is 0, then what are you doing? You are going to the right side. How many places? 8 places. So positive 8 you need to make it 0. This is additive inverse to reach 0. Question number B also see plus 13. With which number you will add to 13 plus 13 to get 0? Obviously it will be minus 13. Next see plus 12 and minus 12. If you add these two, what you will get? 0. Now this next sum is slightly different, not depending on additive inverse, not related to additive inverse, it is just subtraction. When you are subtracting minus 15 from some number, when you are subtracting minus 15 from some number, from any integer, and you are getting minus 10, then actually what is the number? What is the number? You can think and you can give the answer. I know. If you think that you are expecting the answer is minus 10, but you have minus 15. So what number? If you give 5 Then think what you will get. 5 minus 15. 5 minus 15 means 10, correct? And what sign will come in front? Negative sign will come in front. That is, this is the number. But how can you find out 5? For this reason, the process is, if the result was minus 10, the rough work you can do. Rough work you can do in this way. The answer was minus 10. The answer was minus 10, and this minus 15 you have to find out this number. To find this missing number, you have in your hand minus 15. Here you will add plus 15. Whatever the sign is, you will just give the opposite sign and find out what is the result. Minus 10 plus 15, that means 5. In this way also you can find out. Better you use your thinking skill and do. It will be easy for everybody. Think and do, and to verify your thinking is correct or not, you can do that rough work also. Understood? See the question properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the classroom. Thank you, student.